Good afternoon to all of you. Today, in this lecture, we are going to study importance of group discussion. What is the importance of group discussion? In the previous lecture, we have seen group discussion, definition, then what is group and what is discussion, why GD is important, means how the process of GD, about the panelists, strength of participants in a group, and duration. Today we will see importance of group discussion. Let us just visualize slide. Some people, participants are there, one leader is there. So with the help of it, we can observe that someone should be the leader in a group. Yes, he is a leader. The person who is in a red color, so leader, then others are participants, members, and it is the responsibility of group leader to respect each member, to, to give support, and it is the responsibility of the members to be with the leader. Let us see importance of group discussion. So group discussion increases confidence level. Confidence. JD allows the participants to speak in public, which increases their confidence to speak without any hesitation. So group discussion increases the confidence level. Focus on deep thinking because each and every aspect is discussed in detail and insights are filled with the experience of the members who also share and exchange their views, their oriented talk, their facts and figures. Almost one head, uh, comparatively, head can't do anything, but if there are seven heads, so a lot of ideas, new ideas can be generated and new type of conclusion or findings are possible in a group. So why focuses on deep thinking? Because it is the knowledge of a candidate. Participants get only a few minutes, 3 to 5, as per the context we have seen, for the preparation. In such a small duration, they have to make a list of points to speak. Lists are point, one has to jot down the points. Otherwise, with the course of time, we may forget it. So the participants in a group listen and understand all point of view, making them think deeply about the topic. Okay, so group discussion enhances the level of deep thinking. Very true, correctly, and improves communication skill. So it helps the students to represent their views and ask the questions. It not only increases the confidence of a candidate but also enhances their communication skill. Very, very important point. So removes the hesitation of speaking because group provides a platform. Group provides a platform. The formal group, somebody is there as a panel, they also come to know their marks. If they have scored less mark in group discussion, so the less mark or the failure of sometimes a failure, it also gives an opportunity to enhance. So many times failures are good because failures give you an opportunity. Success is good, success is counted with test. but failures also are important. Failures are the first step to success, as we say. So it gives opportunity to improve ourselves. So remove hesitation of speaking. Many members, they have hesitation, but if they are given platform, so hesitation will be minimized with the course of time. Some candidates usually have hesitation in speaking in public. At starting, such candidates might face difficulty while speaking, but after 2 or 3 group discussion, it improves. They improves. Why? Because of the of it offers to share, exchange, and to give an opportunity for deep thinking. Just not only thinking, but one can speak, one can exhibit himself or herself with his or her experience. So group discussion helps the candidates to speak loudly and express their views on the topic, any topic. It further removes the hesitation in speaking. Teamwork. Yes, group discussion is a teamwork. Collective efforts are required in a group discussion. It is often based on teamwork. So many times in the multinational corporations, it is very important to work collectively. Single or individual work cannot fetch you success, but collective efforts. If I would say, just some a few days before I watched Ratanji Tata's one speech, and how he has inaugurated Nano, world's cheapest car, I mean Nano car, you all know. And in his overall speech, he discussed how Wright brothers in 1903 launched aeroplane, then cycle, okay, cycling. He discussed the so many inventions, and he also has seen poverty. He says in a scooter, a family, 2 children, they were going on. So when he saw such type of road, he thinks, as he has himself deliberated, that he also want to make a car which should be affordable, very affordable, within 1 lakh rupees. 1 lakh, not a big amount, comparatively 10 lakh rupees or 5 lakh rupees. So he had a dream. So my concern is, he has given credit to 500 people, 500 engineers, and they have worked for 5 years, 4 years they have worked, as he told, Ratanji Tata uh, told in his speech. So teamwork. Tata or the as a company can give support, but someone has to work. Otherwise, within 1 lakh, how can one make a car? Dream car. So many people across India. It is obviously a teamwork. Though in 2016 the plant was stopped due to so many reasons are there. But although how we see Tata Nano car, because it was also teamwork. Teamwork. So group discussion is also a teamwork. In a company, it is very important to work as a team for the assigned project. Any assigned project, Nano assigned projects. And I told you one example how the journey of Nano from 2004 to 2008, and in 2008 it has launched, get gain popularity, and it is better car in a city, no doubt. No one can raise, because it has good mileage. Many features were there, but if they need many things, but I'm very happy that he himself took care of the safety. of passengers. Now, how wonderful if a person who want to make a car in a lakh rupees and also very much careful about the safety of passengers. Look at his concern. I am telling about his words. He is very serious about the standards, safety, etc. So obviously, if he is the whole and sole authority of Tata and Sons, obviously 5 lakh or 6 lakh rupees cars like Tiago, no, they have very good safety. No one can question the safety of Tata's vehicles. Maybe the lowest budget cars like Tiago or other cars, Tigor or Nexon, Harrier, Altroz. So many cars nowadays we can see because it is teamwork. Quality of working together with team members is checked in a group discussion. So similar way, the context is different. Just it was there companies. So I have cited one example of Tata company. Due to this, the quality of working together with the team members is checked in the group discussion. The panelist also judges the operations of participants in the group. It allows participants to share their views with other participants in the group. So overall, it is a teamwork. Behavior, it helps to understand the attitude and behavior of the candidates towards other participants in a group. Behavior is also just evaluated. How one behaves with other members in a group. Listening skill. GD improves the listening skill. Desai Kanksha, put off your mic, please. GD improves the listening skill of the candidate. Listening, whether one listening is not a passive, it is active skill. One has to be alert while listening. Now you all are very alert. Just I say one name, so put off your mic. So it means the candidate is listening carefully. GD improves the listening skill of the candidate. For example, the panelist may ask any candidate in a group to summarize the discussion. Panelist may ask any candidate to summarize discussion. So for that purpose, he or she has to be ready. She can't or he can't say in a group that I can't. So marks will be minimized. A candidate can only summarize if she has good skills. Due to this, every candidate presents in the discussion listen carefully. It further improves the listening skills of the candidate. How many things are improved? Look at many things are learned in a group discussion. Diversity in the ideas. Now it has been said that ideas rule the world. If one has ideas, one can rule the world. Einstein has also pointed out that imagination is more powerful than knowledge. But Albert Einstein says, imagination is more powerful than knowledge. Knowledge, no doubt, is very important, but imagination is the foundation of ideas. So, ideas, imagination, one imagine, yes, I can fly in the sky. Imagination. Imagination most imagination is the foundation. And Ratanji Tata says, yeah, I can make a car, very affordable car. That would be the dream car of my Indians. Imagination. First of all, one has to be imagine. 1 lakh rupees very less amount. Just two wheelers. One can make a two wheelers, 1 lakh rupees. Nowadays, two wheelers rate is 1 lakh rupees. So, okay, it is. We are discussing what happened in the past 12 years before, but it is also difficult. So, imagination, diversity in the ideas. The group discussion involves sharing ideas with other participants in the group. So, every participant share his or her thoughts in the group, which makes diversities in the ideas. डायव्हर्सिटी, विविधता पाहिजेत, अनेक आयडियाज, अनेक आस्पेक्ट्स, नवीन डायमेन्शन्स, वैचारिकता, ही जी लेवल आहे ते ग्रुप डिस्कशन मध्ये अभिप्रेत असते आणि त्या गुणांना एक पंखांना, या गुणांना एका ह्या पंखांना बळ देण्याचं कार्य जे आहे ते ग्रुप डिस्कशन मधून होत असतं. रिक्रुटमेंट, ग्रुप डिस्कशन इज वाइडली यूज्ड फॉर रिक्रुटमेंट प्रोसेस. Written exam just can test your knowledge, vocabulary, but apart from these things, your oral abilities, presence of mind, communication skill, such kind of things, they are very important. Attitude cannot be judged in a written form. So recruitment, group discussion is widely used for the recruitment process. It helps panelists to select candidates from the group. It also helps them to judge that the candidate is suitable for the organization or not. Very good point. Rules of anything has some rules. Rules for rules of group discussion. Prepare well for the topic. One has to prepare well for the topic. The quick trick is to note all the important points during the preparation time. Do not write brief paragraphs. Try to write short points and explain them briefly in the discussion. That is the rule, expected rule. Be confident about your content. Whatever your content, one has to be confident. It would help you if you always were confident about your content. If you are not confident, you may hesitate while speaking, which will create a negative impression. So be confident about whatever you want to say. You have to be confident. For that purpose, one has to study, one has to read a lot, one has to understand a particular aspect with so many dimensions. So participant introduction is also important. Most participants only focus on their content. You should be aware during the introduction of all the participants in your group. To get attention, you can call out the person's name when the discussion gets diverted. Body language, always take care of body language. Do not focus only on content. Your words and body language, they work together, not separately. Leadership, try to take lead in the group if you are confident about the topic and knowledge. Leadership, skill. Avoid false or commitments. Do not initiate the discussion if you are not sure about your content. Do not present any wrong information. If you don't know, you can sincerely say, I do not have much idea about it. But do not say wrong things. Because one wrong statement can lead to another wrong, and one day or after a few minutes, the false information can be opened up, and that will be a wrong presentation in a group. So follow your domain. Every company has its own culture. Prepare your content according to the company's requirement. For example, industrial companies will focus more on technical talks, while marketing companies seek the combination of creative and oriented content. Follow your domain. Whatever the domain culture is there in a company, one has to follow it. Do not fight. Some candidates often get aggressive because of some aspects while discussion. So do not fight during the discussion. Most of the companies require sensitive and polite candidates rather than aggressive ones. Yes, it is the reality. No one likes aggressive people. Anyone like polite, sensitive, and good person. Individual skills, look at mistakes, creativity, reasoning skills, fluency, communication skill, voice, modulation in the voice, rising tone, falling tone, content, decision making, enthusiasm, energy level, analytical skills, initiative. So such kind of things are very, very important. Group coordination is also important. What is the criteria for a group discussion? Individual skills, then Group coordination, leadership, body language, behavior, teamwork, listening skills, all the aspects are very important. So 7 mistakes that you have to avoid in a group discussion. Do not hesitate to initiate the discussion. Do not copy anyone else's ideas or comments. Do not copy. Be genuine and original. Do not avoid eye contact with other participants while speaking. You must have eye contact because eye contact always gives confidence. So how your confidence level is raised, one can analyze with your eye contact. Do not lose confidence in the whole discussion. Whatever the discussion on any topic, it will be there. So do not lose confidence. Your confidence level is judged, it is evaluated. So do not speak slowly. Try to contribute in a discussion rather than just speaking. Try to contribute in a discussion. If a discussion is extending, try to contribute. Just do not speak isolatedly. Contribute something. Your insights are evaluated and judged. So group discussion, this is group discussion, creating structures, clarity, speak points to point, be yourself, attitude, carefulness, includes examples, eye contact, and be formal. Group discussion for competitive exams. If you are preparing, you must ready for group discussion. GD for competitive exams, CAT, CA, others. So many type of exams are there. So it is very, very important to exchange your ideas and enhance your personality, your perception, enhance your knowledge. Thanks a lot for your kind cooperation. See you tomorrow. Bye.